Alright guys, hello, it's Monday night's homework. We are doing adding and subtracting rational numbers. We've already made our Cornell notes. Go ahead and fill out your topic of adding and subtracting rational numbers. Your essential question is going to be, what are the rules for adding and subtracting rational numbers? Toolbox, we're going to have positive and negative fractions and decimals. So remember, those are both considered rational numbers. So we're going to start with number 1. And the first problem we're doing is negative 4/10 plus 1 3/10. I've got a number line here to show what the movement's going to be on that. We start here at 0 and we go to negative 4/10. This is our little man. We can call him Carla. Then we move to... So we're starting at the first number, negative 4/10, right here. And now we're adding 1 3/10. So that means we're going to move to the right 1 3/10. So if we move 1, here Carla's walking, she's going to go past 4/10 over here because that's one whole, and she's going to move 3/10 more. So your answer should be, and it's not shown here, oh, I'm sorry, positive 9/10. Oops, we're moving a little further. So your answer should be positive 9/10. So we've got a negative 4/10 plus 1 3/10, and you get positive 9/10. That's how it looks on the number line. I want to show you how it looks actually with numbers. We've got a negative and a positive number. Just like integers, if they're opposite signs, we want to subtract them. So that's 1.3 minus 4, decimal point, 4/10. And we borrow and subtract, bring our decimal down, and our answer is 9/10. Obviously, it's the positive. The absolute value is bigger on 1.3. So our answer is going to be 9/10. So use the same rules as you did with the integers, adding and subtracting. Next, we've got fractions, adding and subtracting fractions. These are both negative fractions, so just logically speaking, if we're 0, we go negative 7/8. We're going to need to go 3/8 more. So here's our little man. Goes to negative 7/8. And then you're going more into the negative. That means our number is going to end up being negative. And 7/8 plus 3/8 is 10/8. We're negative because we're going further into the negative. Reduce that down, and it becomes 1 2/8, or what we call negative 1 1/4. So here's our little man, started at 7/8. He moves down, and here he ends up at negative 1 1/4 after they move the 3/8. Fun. All right, last one. Example. Now here we have a negative fraction minus a positive fraction. So this is just like saying, kind of like when we were with integers when we keep change with it. We've got negative 3/8 plus a negative 5/8. And now just like we did up here when we had two negative numbers, we added them together. Same sign, add the number, keep the sign. So this is going to be negative 8/8, which equals negative 1. Awesome. And I think we're good. We've got fractions, we've got decimals, and we're going to be adding and subtracting them. So have fun tomorrow. Do you ladies want to do a cheer?
Go rational numbers! Rational numbers! Yeah!
Woohoo! Have a good night. Fun stuff. All right.